we're looking at Irae by Synestia. It's gonna be a crazy one. I've heard a little bit from TikTok, and I just like cut it off immediately because I want to hear what they have to offer on video with you guys. So, are you guys ready to check out another crazy Metalhead reaction by your Metalhead VTuber? I certainly am. I'm excited to get into this one. Let's go. Irae by Synestia. Okay, you know they're going crazy when they have the choir in the beginning. Let's get back into this. I was not ready for that. Let's go! Dude, that drum. Did you hear that drum? It sounds like a fucking machine gun. Sounds like a fucking Call of Duty death machine. Holy shit. Oh. Okay, humans don't make that noise. Humans do not make that noise. What am I hearing? What am I hearing? Those are just like farm noises, dude. What the fuck? Oh my god. I heard some nasty pig stuff, and I don't even know how to describe the other one. It's like an ogre. Jesus Christ. What the fuck? What the fuck is that? What the fuck was that? My god. Jesus. Oh my god. I talked over whatever breakdown this is. What the fuck? Oh my god. I can't. I'm gonna need the lyrics. Holy shit. Oh, that fucking high. My god. I'm not warmed up, so I can't get that high, but holy shit. Is that tea kettle scream? Oh. I've always wanted to learn how to do a tea kettle scream. I can get high, like, my god, I might not warmed up. I can't. I'm not attempting that. I'm not even about cutting that out. But yeah, I need water if I'm gonna even try to scream. I can get pretty low, and I can get pretty high. But I've always wanted to learn how to do a tea kettle. I just cannot figure it out. Okay, back in with the back. I'm sorry for pausing so much. Back in the choir, you know it's gonna drop. All right, let's get ourselves ready. Oh my gosh. Oh, fuck. Holy shit. Guitar solo. Fuck yeah. Okay. Matching a tempo with the drums is crazy. Oh my god. Okay, you can't just do that. You can't just do that. You gotta give us some time to get ready for it. My god. Alright, guys, we're going back. They just fucking dropped us into the breakdown. As I cut to black, I thought something might happen to my computer. I was gonna freak out. No, they cut to black just to get into the breakdown. Holy fuck. Alright. Let's breathe for a little bit. In. Out. In. Out. Alright. Let's mentally prepare. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, you're teasing us. You're teasing us. Okay. Oh! Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. That was... Oh god. You broke my model. I'm gonna hate to see the recording after this because I'm pretty sure I was broken the entire time. Oh god. That was just... I don't even know how to describe that. Dude. Dude. Oh my god. That was just... That was something. It just farm noises at that point. Oh my god. The fucking breakdown. I didn't think it could get any heavier than we heard, but holy shit, they just topped it. That was the heaviest breakdown I've ever heard. That, holy fuck. Y'all, you guys gotta check that out. Without my pausing and talking over it, you guys gotta check that out. That is insane. Go support them. Oh my god. Synestia, you broke me. Well, if you guys like this reaction, hit that subscribe button and join the legendary family. Hit that like button to surprise. You broke me, Synestia! Hit that like button to support my channel and comment down below what else you want me to react to, because I love checking out metal. I'm your Metalhead VTuber. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. I love your lovely faces and have a great day.